Welcome to Ruboy FX, and today is the 7th of July 2026, and we're going to be looking at what has been happening and where I'm expecting price should go for the week. And yeah, so that being said, before we go into that, I want to set something clear, which is if you're not experienced enough with everything that's been happening around gold, you will be chopped out, because look at all this that's happening here. This is chopping, like gold has been chopping, and if you are not experienced enough, you won't be able to be profitable at this level. So this is why you need to pick days when you should trade, weeks when you should trade. And I have days and weeks when I trade, which in my mentorship class I'm going to review those secrets. But for now, we're going to be looking at what am I expecting in gold? What are my expectations? What are my bias? Okay, now my bias is looking at this low. This low has been taken out, which is the low we've been looking forward to all this while. And looking at this low has been taken out. But where is the direction? You could see we have liquidity still waiting, sitting at this level. Liquidity is still sitting at this level, which gold has not tapped in yet. And you can see how gold has been going lower, like picking all those lows. So which means we still have liquidity sitting below. But before that liquidity comes in, what is ahead? What is ahead? And this is a daily candle. What is ahead is what I'm looking at right now. And this is this. So I'm looking at this high right here. You can see that this high has not been fully taken out, firstly, and I have this imbalance right here, which is not yet filled. This imbalance right here, and I would like it to be filled. So I have 3 levels which I'm looking out for. So this level right here is going to be in line with my volume imbalance right here. So this is my volume imbalance. This is going to be in line with my volume imbalance. So I would like to see this high ticking, and I would like to see this inverse level to be filled up, so that from there I can now start shorting. I'm not seeing gold coming back to this high yet. I'm not seeing it. If although it's coming back to this high, we're just going to have another an equal highs. So guys, please don't mind my voice, because my background could be echoing because I'm not in the house. So I just took a trip, so don't mind my background. So this equal high, we could see this equal highs also being taken because of this FVG that is just right here. Then before we drop, if that happened, I will be waiting for a massive sell-off on gold. Okay, so but that being said, for a short time frame, looking at this level and this, because it's on the daily, looking at this level and this, if there's no major news that comes in to manipulate this, so we should just be seeing this from here dropping down one more time, because we are targeting this level right here, because there is a liquidity sitting just right here which gold need to come and take. So now dropping down to 4 hours, let me drop down to 4 hours. And when I drop down to 4 hours, you could see how we have a perfect lows right here. Okay, and gold is holding strong, but this level has not been taken yet, but it looks like a level which should be taken. So once it's taken, we are seeing these levels coming in, which is giving, yeah, and in line with my imbalance, which is still sitting behind. You could see it right here. So seeing this high taking, or we just tap perfectly and then drop more. So this is what I'm looking at in gold right now. This is what I'm looking at in gold right now. I'm not trading, and I'm just gonna keep watch. You have to watch like a lion. You have to watch like a lion that is about to catch its prey. So because that's how gold is. So gold is all about you. Those who trade gold are people who have patience. If you don't have patience, you cannot trade gold. Gold is all about patience, waiting for the big thing to happen for you to actually take a trade. Okay. Yeah. So for those asking for mentorship, I'm going to open the mentorship class very soon, and accepting 100 to 200 people who will be in my first mentorship class. This is just me trying to build more people who understand the market and who are going to be inside, because this is years of experience which I'm about to give to people. I can't give you my experience, but I can help you to understand how I view market and how I trade the market. Okay. And one thing I always tell people is that you don't need the whole day run. You just need a direction for a moment to just take what you can take, and you are out of the market. So see you again. If you're not yet following, make sure you follow. If you're not yet subscribed, make sure you're subscribed. And I'll see you again in the next one. Have a trading good day.